Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm taking another request, this one from this wonderful person right here, and I'm going to show you how to draw Chuck E. Cheese. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that stuff is awesome. All right, so let's get started with our drawing. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like this, like a big upside down U, and then a little bottom here for it, and a circle inside, and then a little circle, then another one, and that is going to be colored in all black. Next, this part up here, the top part of the eye, I'm going to thicken that up. All right, so next let's do an eyebrow. And come on up and thicken it up. All right, so now we're going to do the other eye. So let's give it a bit of room. And I'm going to start right here. And we're going to do pretty much what we just did on the other side. And we're going to try to match them up, try to make them look very similar, but it's okay if they're not super duper similar. It's all about practice and having fun and being creative, so it's okay if they don't look exactly alike. So circle, now let's do another one, and this one's going to be colored all black. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger, and let's see, make this a little bit thicker, and now an eyebrow. All right, so next thing I'm going to do a nose. So it's a nose like that, and I'm going to put a little shape like that there, and then I'm going to color everything else in black. And that funny little shape we just did is going to be left white. It's going to be kind of like a little bit of just a little bit of a shiny spot on the nose where light is hitting the nose. All right, so next thing, we're going to do a smile. So I'm going to start up here like that and come on down. We're curving on up now like that, and right here the nose, we're coming on down, doing a little straight line, and we can do some whiskers on the other side too. Now let's go up here where we have our eyebrows, and in the middle of that let's do a little bit of a forehead, and right up here let's do an ear. So we can come on up. It's got great big ears like that, and do a part right here and like that. So we've got kind of like a little point here. And then we can come on down and do a little bit of a cheek and bring that here, and it kind of becomes a neck. And over on this side, let's do a similar thing. So we've got a little line here, and now let's do an ear. I'm trying to make it around the same size as the other ear, but it's okay if it's not. And come on down and this way. And let's do a little cheek and bring it on down to start with a neck. And now we're not done with the face yet. I'm going to do a little bit of hair here, a little bit of fur. And right here, and come on up. And then come out this way and do some little fluffy bits here. And then that's going to connect to this line. And we're going to do the same over here. We can do some little furry, fluffy bits. And then we're going to bring that down and connect it with the neckline. Next, let's do the neck of his t-shirt. So let's do a curve and then another one. And now let's do a shoulder and another one. And t-shirt. We can bring a line down here and another one. And bring a line going across this way for the bottom of the t-shirt. Right here, let's do another line. And same on this side. Now we're going to do a big C on the shirt. And we're going to do a line going around that. And we're going to have a thick line under the C. And now we're going to do a line right here and a line right here. And we'll do a little line like that and one right here. And now let's do some arms. So let's bring on this line and start with a hand. So we can do a thumb, bring this line up, and do a finger. And the rest of the fingers are there in the back. And now let's do the same over on the other side. So we can bring a line down and put a thumb here. Start with a finger, and we can put another one here. And let's work with this other line for the arm. And we'll put another finger and another one. And we're almost done, but he needs a tail. So let's bring that out this way and curve it on up. And it's going to be thickest by the end. So it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker the closer it's getting to him. All right, so done our sketch, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.